There will be a book on the table in 10 minutes. Will there be a book on the table in 10 minutes? There will be 3 books on the table in an hour. Will there be 3 books on the table in an hour? How many books will there be on the table in an hour? There will be a car in the car park the day after tomorrow. Will there be a car in the car park the day after tomorrow?
There will be 3 cars in the car park in a week. Will there be 3 cars in the car park in a week? How many cars will there be in the car park in a week?
There will be 5 students in the classroom tomorrow. Will there be 5 students in the classroom tomorrow? How many students will there be in the classroom tomorrow? There will be 5 chairs in the room in a year. Will there be 5 chairs in the room in a year? How many chairs will there be in the room in a year? There will be no water on the table in the evening. Will there be no water on the table in the evening? How much water will there be on the table in the evening?